So this is a good productivity tip for dimensioning that doesn't always come in handy because it has some limitations, but can be pretty cool. So if we start off here with a overall dimension here to wall faces, entire wall, you can see I've got an overall dimension. I can add intersecting grids there and quickly get that dimension. If I want to get a bit more in detail here, you can go to faces of core, intersecting walls. Gonna grab that. Can also dimension my openings on here, so I'd probably go to wall faces, the opening, and I get the width or the center of the opening. There is my windows. The downside is it doesn't work particularly well on staggered parts of the building like this. You either have to have multiple runs of dimensions, which I personally prefer to not do that and just add in the extra dimensions. But you can still get large chunks of it dimensioned very quickly and efficiently.